I'm about to kill Schnitzel while he's...
Yeah! Scissor time, baby! I killed him! No! What now? Elmer's glue. Ah, she's a what? Oh my god! Next time he comes up, I'm gonna throw this at him. It's white out. Let's go see if he's awake. I killed him! Yeah! Take that! You see this pen? See this pen? Yeah. Ah! See this? See this? Yeah. Yeah, this highlighter? Ah! This highlighter. Ah. You know what? No, you know what? This ball is going down. Someone, you are not gonna get me, or I will kill you just like him.